This is a very important question. Tell me, does the sound of alarm excite you every morning, or does it just frustrate you and make you hit that snooze button? Are you a person who likes to jump out of bed every morning because there's a fantastic day lying ahead, or are you a person who kind of tries to snooze off that button and just get that 5 more, 15 more, half an hour more of sleep every morning? How do you wake up is the question that I want to ask you today. Do you wake up with a purpose? It's something that I want to discuss with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya and you're listening to the Be Productive series, where I make one video every day to help you to be more productive and to help you to be better versions of yourself. And what I'm going to talk you with today is, do you wake up with a purpose in your life? Are you excited when you wake up out of your sleep? Or is it just that you are letting the life pass by? And is it just that you look forward to sleeping more than staying awake? Now, most of our human existence is a huge part of it is spent in sleeping, right? Sleeping is very essential. Sleeping is important. Sleeping is the time wherein you go, you go into a kind of a sleep, deep meditation is what I would like to call it as, wherein you rest and you recharge yourself. Your thoughts get recharged, your mind gets recharged, your body resets its clock every now and then, and that happens when every time you sleep, right? So sleep is extremely important, true. But then how much sleep is important, how much sleep is needed, and while sleep is important and sleep is something that we definitely should be looking forward to, but do you wake up, do you get out of the bed, do you every morning do you have this thought that, oh wow, so exciting, I've got another day today, and today is going to be a fantastic day, a great day. Today is I was looking forward to waking up today. Do you have this thought? Because it is very important that we do something that we love in our lives, because only then you are going to have thoughts which make you feel excited towards the day ahead. Now, if you are a person who has been hitting snooze or who kind of adores sleep more than being awake. Now, being awake is the time where you can actually do something, you can contribute to something, you can learn something new, you can create some kind of impact on people. Now, if you're passionate about staying awake, you're going to get out of bed very easily. But if you're not that passionate about being awake, if you don't have a purpose in your life, that's the key word over here. If you do not have a purpose in your life, most often than not, you are going to kind of be frustrated with that alarm. You're going to be kind of just letting the day pass by one, letting today's day go, and you're just going to keep on doing that for a lot of days, and then weeks, and then months, and then probably also years. It is very important that you wake up with some kind of purpose. Have something to look forward to. Oh, that was a masterclass that I need to attend today. Oh, that's a video that I need to shoot today. Oh, that's a book that I want to read today. Oh, that's something. That's the work that I want to do today, and this is how my work is going to impact on people. If you think of it in this manner, you are going to wake up passionate every single day. They say you should be able to find your passion and then follow it. I say you should be able to find your passion and follow it, but not just that, you should be passionate not just about the thing that you love doing, but also about life, because life is such a beautiful thing. And every day when you wake up, it's a different chance, it's another chance. It's when your clock has reset itself, when your body clock has reset itself, and you can get up, learn a new skill, build something up, conquer some fear of yours. You can impact lives. You can create a change in this world. So wake up every morning with some kind of purpose in your mind. Start doing this little by little. Have something every night before you sleep. Think of the great, beautiful things that you're going to do on the next day. And the moment you wake up every day, the first thing you should do in your morning is that think of all the things that you're going to do in this day, because in that way you are really going to feel a lot more energetic, a lot more passionate, a lot more alive. These all things are the things which make us humans alive, right? We are not animals. We are not just waking to do the rudimentary tasks that animals also do. We can impact or we can do things on a much larger scale. So be passionate about life. Be passionate about the every single day that you get, because every single day is a gift, and every single day deserves that respect, that passion, that excitement, that curiosity from each one of us every single morning. That was my little message for today. I'm of course going to meet you again tomorrow. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.